Hello and welcome to another 3-minute quaranteaching tip. In this video you're going to learn how to use iMovie and the picture-in-picture feature to go ahead and blur out information in a movie. So if you're making a tutorial for your students and you're using a student account or one of your child's account, you can go ahead and blur out their sensitive information so that nobody else sees it. So let me go ahead and open up iMovie, and iMovie is found in self-service. So this is the iMovie screen. I'm going to create a new movie right here, and I'm going to go ahead and import some media. So I have my media, I have my movie right here that I created, my tutorial, and then I have this blur image which I found online on the web, and it looks like that. And I'm going to go ahead and import both of them. I click command click to select both at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and drop the movie first. Then I'm going to drop the blur image in front of it. Okay. What I really need to do is I need to drop it on top. What's going to happen is above the preview screen there's going to be an overlay setting, an overlay icon. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to put it right here in the front. And now you see the overlay icon. So when I click on that icon, I'm able to select from this drop-down menu picture in picture. And so now I have that overlay. I'm going to get rid of the fade in, fade out because I want this to block that information. So let's say I needed to block the word subscribe right from the beginning. So there is a word subscribe right there, and let's say that's sensitive information. And I need to do it for the entire movie. So I'm going to go ahead and click and drag this to cover the entire movie. So when I play this movie from the beginning, it's going to show the arrow, but it's not going to show the word subscribe. Now, if I needed to block more information, like 3 minute, that was sensitive, I actually need to make this, I need to save this movie, upload it again into another project, and then go ahead and use the same blur image to do that. So I click on the share button, I click export file, and I can go ahead and save this movie. Okay, I'm just going to call movie 8. I'm going to click next, and so I've started a new movie, and I went ahead and brought both the movie that I created, the blur image again. I'm covering up the picture here. I don't want my students to be seen in here, so after doing that, all I have to do now is click on the share button, share this out again, and save it to my computer. If you have any questions on how to use this picture-in-picture to blur out information, please make sure to contact your instructional technology specialist.